There's a certain magic to candlelight. It whispers stories in the shadows. It dances with joy in moments of celebration. And it brings a sense of peace to quiet evenings at home. But have you ever stopped to consider the journey of a candle? How does simple wax transform into a source of such warmth and beauty? Let's take a peek behind the curtain and discover the artistry of candle making. The heart of any candle lies in its wax. Each type of wax brings its own unique personality to the flame. Paraffin wax, a byproduct of petroleum, is the most common. It's readily available and holds color and scent beautifully. Beeswax, with its honeyed aroma, offers a natural alternative. Sourced from honeycombs, it burns cleaner and longer. And then there's soy wax, a sustainable choice derived from soybeans. Soy wax burns slowly and releases fragrances gently, making it a favorite for those with sensitivities. Now, let's talk about the wick, the unsung hero of the candle. This simple thread is essential for drawing the melted wax upward and feeding the flame. Wicks are typically made from braided cotton or linen. They are treated with a special solution to ensure a clean, even burn. The size and type of wick are carefully chosen to match the type of wax and the candle's diameter. This ensures a steady flame and prevents smoking or tunneling. Section 4. Colors, scents, and molten transformations. Here's where the real fun begins. With the wax melted and the wicks in place, it's time to infuse color and fragrance. Imagine vibrant dyes swirling into the molten wax, transforming it into a rainbow of possibilities. Essential oils and fragrance oils are carefully blended to create captivating scents. Lavender for tranquility, citrus for energy, or perhaps a warm blend of spices for a cozy ambience. The heated wax, now imbued with color and scent, is carefully poured into molds. These molds come in countless shapes and sizes, from simple pillars to intricate designs. As the wax cools and solidifies, it captures the essence of the fragrance and takes on the shape of its mold. Section 5. From craft to creation, the finishing touches. Once the candles have cooled and hardened, it's time for the finishing touches. Each candle is carefully removed from its mold. The wick is trimmed to the perfect length for a clean, efficient burn. Some candles are dipped in a special coating to enhance their shine and protect their surfaces. Others are left with a natural matte finish. Finally, the candles are ready for their debut. They are lovingly packaged, often with labels that tell their unique stories. Perhaps it's a hand-poured soy candle infused with essential oils, or a beeswax pillar adorned with a botanical print. Each candle is a small work of art, ready to bring warmth and light to a special space.